So yeah, hi Harsh. Very good afternoon. Welcome to our today's
Hi,
session.
Saurabh.
Yeah, great. It's very good to have you here. I mean, how was your? Hopefully, we had discussed about our weekdays, right? So, पिछले हफ्ते कैसा रहा? Just summarize it a bit. How was your last
Uh,
week?
I finished that book. Which one?
How to
That
win
How to
friends.
Win Friends and Influence People.
Great,
And I
great.
started the book that you have given me, Think and Grow Rich.
Yes, yes. Fantastic.
And I completed two chapters in that, like introduction chapter and the first chapter,
Mm-hmm.
in which he mentioned about the desires. Like if anything you want, you need to desire about it first.
Absolutely,
Uh,
absolutely.
he have given one tip to create your desires, like write down what you want, what is your desire, then write when you want, like exact time and date. You
Right,
should
right.
have to mention it here. And
Definitely. Do take notes as well, and we'll talk more about it once everyone is going through that book,
okay,
and maybe next week. So we'll talk more about it, and that's good. How are your academics coming along?
yeah, my academics are also my exams are there next week,
Okay,
so I'm preparing for that.
good, good.
Good
Wish you all
exam.
the best. I mean, give your best, and these are tough times. We all know, but try to optimize your performance. Try to optimize your tasks, whatever you are doing in your daily routine, and along with that, not only while reading the books that I am providing, but also in your academic life or other aspects of your life as well. Do take a lot of notes. Why I'm saying that? Because see, notes is something which is a self reflection of your own behavior and your own life journey, and it will give you a very nice perspective of yourself when once you get go back and again read those notes, right? So it will give you a very good perspective. For example, in the notes itself, again, you don't have to read and go through the whole book. You can just go through the key nuggets and the things that you have already highlighted, and it will you'll be able to visualize the whole summary of the book, right? So do take a lot of notes, okay, in every aspects of life. Okay, cool. Okay, so how about family? How is family doing? Everyone is good?
Family is fine, and I am also fine. I am doing regular exercises also in the
Wow,
evening, like
wow, nice.
running, running around 3.5 kilometers daily.
Okay, great, great.
And,
So, one more thing. I mean, keep me updated. I mean, once in a while, once in 1 week or so, or maybe twice in a week, just after couple of alternate date, keep me sending messages. Hey, Saurabh, this was my this week's target, and I completed this much of running. Just count all the running hours and then talk me about it. Okay, anything that I'm,
yeah,
yeah, great, great. And also try to include the pranayam that I was suggesting. One of the most important
yeah,
exercise is that doing bhastrika. Okay, and bhastrika pranayam is very very important. Why this is very important? Because if you do it for just 15 minutes, 5 minutes of repetitive exercise of bhastrika pranayam, it immensely increases your 10 to 30% of your oxygen level in your body. See, what happens is that ना कि जब भी हमारी तबीयत खराब होती है, lungs related any problems होती है, the part of unutilized lungs, that is the lower part of the lungs, that gets most affected. Affection वहीं से सबसे ज्यादा शुरू होती है, right? And that is not much utilized. And भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम, what we used to do is that कि बहुत से ज्यादा ऑक्सीजन लेवल अपने बॉडी के अंदर जाता है, एंड वो फिर अनयूटिलाइज्ड लंग्स भी हम यूटिलाइज करते हैं. सो इट इज इम्परेटिव, मतलब देर इज नो सेइंग नो कि मतलब ये करना नहीं है. इट इज इम्परेटिव टू टेक लॉन्गर ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस, टू डू लॉन्गर प्रैक्टिस लॉन्गर ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस, and Bhastrika is one of the fantastic exercise that you can include daily habit. So do it. If you have anything, practice it sometime, but if you want to know how to do it properly, maybe we can connect with your with you and your family members, your parents and all. We can do an introductory connect where I can tell you how I practice daily Bhastrika pranayam. Okay, perfect, perfect.
I tried to do if I didn't understand, then I will get that.
Yeah, definitely. Actually, I have crafted one 20 minutes of audio session. I mean, for myself and for my family. So उसके अंदर हम लोग हमेशा वो exercise करते हैं, and then starting with a long breathing exercise, breathing in, then holding it for a couple of seconds, and then releasing it. That gives a kickstart, and then we do for 15 to 15 minutes of Bhastrika Pranayam, and then we calm down with a 10 times of Om Ucharan, which calm down our whole body and nerves, and then we kickstart our day, and that is a very good thing. So we need to remain in that meditative state once we did the Om Ucharan and all. So yeah, good. So do it and practice it. If you have any doubts, do reach out to me. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. My life has been it's been great. I mean, I've been able to participate in couple of international conferences where various leaders and book authors. One of the book authors that I got the chance to uh, soak up all the wisdom that he was sharing. He is author of Go Giver book, and it was a quite interesting journey for me. I mean, the session itself was the whole night. 10:30 p.m. to 2 a.m. then 4:30 a.m. early morning till 8:30 p.m. and दिन में फिर वो थोड़ा सा सोना हो जाता था फिर लेट नाइट जगना इट्स बीन ऑलमोस्ट 2 days एंड आज रात को भी समथिंग आज तो ऐसा है कि शाम को 6 बजे से लेके रात को 2:30 बजे तक कंटिन्यूअस एंगेजमेंट दैट इज फैंटास्टिक इट इज ग्रेट enjoying every bit of it. I'm leveraging every bit of their engagements to my own growth and personal growth. That is good, and probably I'd be able to help you in a way so that you will also be able to leverage those things as well. Cool, great. So let's talk about this part four, right? In this book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. See, part four is all about leadership, right? It's all about how to change the people influencing in a proper way. So let's talk about it. And what are the couple of things that you liked about this book? The things that you have highlighted. You can just go ahead and talk about it. Okay. Then furthermore, I can
One
add
thing,
points.
maybe date wise note करता हूँ.
Badhiya, badhiya. That's good. That is good.
I remember that it is there in part 7 of chapter 4, like give the other person a fine reputation to live up.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, like in which there was an example, like in a particular store, the price tags of the तो जो सामान होता है उसका प्राइस टैग वो गड़बड़ कर देती थी वहां की जो काम
Ah,
करने वाला था स्टाफ मेंबर. So the manager one day called her. He already scolded her many times not to do that, to manage the price tags properly. Many
mm-hmm.
customers complained. So one day the manager called him into the office and give him a new post. Like you are the tagline, like some designation he gave named named and some designation he gave her, and then she automatically feel proud of that her reputation, that he gives some reputation to her, that you are the one, and this is your designation, and these are your responsibilities. And from that day no customers ever complained about the price tags that they are misplaced or anything. So he
Absolutely.
just give a reputation to her, like
Absolutely.
a
Absolutely.
post moment.
Absolutely. See, exactly. I mean, see, the thing was that the manager itself was not happy with that. Manager itself was not happy. There are two couple of points that we need to understand is that the manager was not happy with her, and he knew she was doing something which was not good, and because of her interactions, intentions, customers were also not quite satisfied. But in order to let her know exactly what the suggestion needs to be done, he started the first line with the appreciation. He started the first line with the appreciation, and that's exactly that he was mentioning in the book itself. His example maybe he start with appreciating the people first line, and then add whatever you are doing that is good, but if you do this thing further like this, it will add more value to you as well as to the customers. So it's a win-win thing for you as well, for the customers as well. So start is one of the things. Any other key points that you noted? Important things, because this is a part 4, right? If you just go to the very back of the page, एकदम last में जाओगे तो you will find couple of key points that is exactly for the leadership to follow. You will find there. Are you able to find it out?
There's only up to part 9 now in
हाँ
chapter
हाँ
4.
इन पार्ट 9 एकदम लास्ट में जब जाओगे ना सो यू विल फाइंड समथिंग इन अ नटशेल in order to be a leader, right? There are total of 9 principles that are important.
Yeah.
Exactly. Did you find that? Can you read it out for me? What are the 9 principles that are very, very crucial for a leader to become? Just go through the book and just read it out for me.
Yeah, I have also noted that all
Fantastic.
parts. If you must find fault, okay, I need to read that
Yes, yes,
principles. Na?
yes, yes, exactly. If you can see that, I don't know.
Begin with, yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
yeah. I can
you
see.
get that
In
right.
a nutshell,
Yes, yes. So just read it out for me.
begin with praise and honest appreciation.
Absolutely.
Principle one.
Principle number one. Nice.
Principle number one. Principle number two: call attention to people's mistakes indirectly.
Mm-hmm.
And principle three: talk about your own mistakes before criticizing the other person.
Right.
Principle four: ask questions instead of giving orders, direct
Mm-hmm.
orders.
Mm-hmm.
Principle five: let the other person save face.
Right, right. Thank you, Harsh, for reading out these five principles. Let's just talk a little bit about it. Then I can read. One of the important thing is that no, keep talk about your own mistakes first before criticizing others. See why it is important. See whenever someone is criticizing me, for example, I have done something. I'm my manager or maybe some other person is criticizing me. What happens is that no, he I feel a little bit intimidated. And automatically, because of that feeling, there is a feeling of superiority in the person who has already criticized me. So it happens automatically. If a person is criticizing me, okay, although criticism is not good, you should not criticize, but use some sort of tact or diplomacy to make them aware that yes, these things are not so good and you need to work upon that. Okay, so here the thing is that we need to talk about our own mistakes first before criticizing the others. Is that it is trying to say that कि जो वो inferiority and superiority वाला जो relationship आता है ना, जब आप criticize करते हो, before building that gap itself, you talk about your own mistakes कि hey, I'm not a very superior person and you are not so inferior person. I'm a person just like you. You have made the mistakes, and trust me, I have made more mistakes than you. And this is my mistake. I have made, not right now, but maybe earlier I have made a lot of other mistakes. So what happens is that there is a sense of coming to the same platform, same ground. That person will resonate you. Okay, yaar, I have made some mistake. That person has also made some mistakes. So we are all on the same ground itself. So that will not create a gap of inferiority and superiority. That on that note, both will be able to come on the same ground and same platform. And once that is reached, then you can add ki, okay, probably if you have done these things using the tact and the diplomacy as was suggested in the book, if you have done these things, avoid these mistakes just like this, you will be able to perform better. You will be able to avoid those failures in your life. You will be able to avoid those mistakes in your life. And that's how you send them the indirect message. It was not call attention to the people's mistakes indirectly, not directly approach it. So talk about your own mistakes, come to the same common ground, and then use tact and diplomacy indirectly to help them understand their mistakes, and also provide them discuss with them a logical solution, way forward, so that they will be able to understand their own mistakes as well as not be ready to not make that mistakes again. Help them out in that way. That was one of the things. And ask questions instead of giving direct orders. See, every time it is if you see the from the words of leaders, right, leaders don't say hey, I order you to do this thing. He will always say hey, let's come on, let's do this thing together, right? It is always about togetherness. So don't just give direct orders. Hey, would it be possible to reach out to me and call me? Would it be possible for you to complete this assignment? I mean, if you do it, that would be so great of you. Rather than saying just like a manager, hey, you have 30 minutes of time. If you don't do it, I'll fire you. If you don't do it, your salary will be deducted. You can force them to do in 30 minutes, but the long-term relationship will be broken down. But that will broke. Long-term relationship will broke. So always use some questions instead of giving direct orders. Hey, would it be possible for you to complete this thing? Would it be possible for you to reach out to me in case of any problems that you are facing in? right? So always use that question. So let me read out the principle 6 to 9. So in the principle 6, in a nutshell, to be a leader, praise the slightest improvement and praise every improvement. Be hearty in your approbation and lavish in your praise. See, this is one of the important fundamental important principles to become a leader. Why this is important? Let me give you a very good example. See हर्ष, बचपन में हम लोग साइकिल चलाते थे, राइट? साइकिल चलाना हमने सीखा है, या फिर पैदल पैदल दोनों पाँव पे ऐसे करके पहली बार चलना सीखा है, राइट? तो क्या होता था कि फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन वी वॉक विद आवर बोथ द लेग्स स्टैंडिंग ओवर देयर, सब लोग अप्रिशिएट करते, ये सौरभ तो चलना, हर्ष तो चलना सीख लिया, राइट? एक दो बार चलने के बाद क्या होता है, फिर हम चले और फिर गिर जाते थे। सो क्या आप हमें बताइए हर्ष, यू टेल मी, कि जब छोटा बच्चा या फिर मैं या फिर तुम जब गिर गए कुछ बार चलने के बाद, तो तुम्हारे पापा मम्मी ने कैसे रिएक्ट किया उस गिरने वाले सिचुएशन को? क्या क्या बोलते थे उस समय?
कुछ नहीं, वो वापस चलने के लिए इंकरेज करते थे, या कि कोई
आप
बात नहीं, होता है।
एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली यही चीज तो इंपॉर्टेंट है। सी, आप जब आगे बढ़ोगे, चलोगे, गिरोगे, और गिरना, सी, फेलियर्स इज फेलियर इज द वे फॉरवर्ड टू बिकम अ सक्सेस पर्सन। फेलियर्स आर गुड, ठीक है? द मोर इफ यू कैन नॉट बिकम अ more successful person if you have not failed it yet. I'm repeating again, you will never be able to become a very good successful person if you have not failed in your life. So failures are good. The important thing is that if you are willing to bounce back again, wake up again and walk again towards the success, ठीक है? एंड हमारे पेरेंट्स क्या करते थे, वो हमें अप्रिशिएट करते हैं उस फेलियर्स के लिए। अरे तुम तो गिर गया, अब तो तुमसे चल नहीं पाओगे, यू वोंट बी एबल टू ट्रैवल। साइकिल चला रहे हैं, साइकिल में एक दो बार गिर गए, नहीं नहीं अब तुम साइकिल नहीं चला पाओगे, नहीं। तो दोज वेर आवर लीडर्स, अपने पेरेंट्स, हमारे पेरेंट्स आर आवर लीडर्स। उन्होंने ये बताया, उनके पास ये प्रिंसिपल्स थी कि नहीं, यदि वो गिर गया है, यदि हर्ष गिर गया है, तो हमें उसे अप्रिशिएट करना है कि नहीं नहीं कोई बात नहीं, कम ऑन यू कैन डू इट अगेन। उनको पता है कि इट विल टेक टाइम, मतलब तुरंत एक महीने में 5 दिन में नहीं सीख लेगा। इट विल टेक टाइम टू वॉक एंड रन एंड देन वॉक एंड देन रन फास्टर। बट अगेन व्हाट दे डिड इज दैट, कितना भी प्रॉब्लम्स हो गया, कितना भी डिस्करेज, लेकिन हमेशा से इंकरेज करते हैं। सो वही बात है कि स्लाइटेस्ट इंप्रूवमेंट भी होती है ना, कि थोड़ा सा यदि बच्चा क्रॉल करने के बाद से यदि उठता भी है, 2 कदम आगे चढ़ता भी है, तो भी उसको सेलिब्रेट करो, अप्रिशिएट करो कि यस दैट चाइल्ड मेड फर्स्ट 2 स्टेप्स, बिकॉज दैट विल एंकरेज देम टू वॉक मोर, ठीक है? और जब कुछ डाउनफॉल्स होती भी है, तब भी आप अप्रिशिएट करो। मिस्टेक्स को हमको इनडायरेक्टली कहना है, उसको इंप्रूव कराना है, सॉल्यूशन वे फॉरवर्ड की तरह बात करना है, लेकिन साथ ही साथ अप्रिशिएट करना है, लॉट एंड लॉट ऑफ अप्रिसिएशंस करनी है, एंड दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ओके, coming to the principle number 7, give the other person a fine reputation to live up to. So we discussed about this recently. Principle number 8, use encouragement, make the fault seems easy to correct. अभी हमने डिस्कस किया कि जब बच्चा दोबारा गिर जाता है, तो यूज द इंकरेजमेंट। गलती हुई, साइकिल से गिर गए, गलती हुई। हमारे कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में भी, राइट, जब हमसे कोई मिस्टेक्स हो जाती है, छोटी सी एपीआई सर्वर का कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया, या फिर किसी प्रॉब्लम को कोई कोड लिखने छोटा सा प्रॉब्लम हो गया, दैट्स ओके। use the encouragement कि hey, whatever the task that you have already done, right, that is fantastic, that is so good, that is so flawless. This time थोड़ी सी ये mistake हो गई, and let's sit back together and we can work on it and figure it out together, ठीक है? and I know कि next time से ये mistakes आपसे नहीं होगी, ठीक है? तो what that person will कि हाँ थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम तो हो गई थी, मेरे से आज तक कभी दिक्कत हुई नहीं, लेकिन सामने वाला पर्सन मुझे इंकरेज किया, एंड मेरी जो छोटी सी गलती थी, जो मुझे मतलब व्हिच आई वाज थिंकिंग कि इट वुड बी अ वेरी फेटल ब्लंडर मिस्टेक दैट आई डिड, उस प्रॉब्लम को इतनी छोटी सी मतलब उस मिस्टेक्स को माय मैनेजर और माय सीनियर मेंबर मेक इट फील्स सो स्मॉल, उस फॉल्ट को ही मेक मी फील सो स्मॉल, एंड देन ही गिव मी चांस टू easily correct it, right? So it can be applied to our families or relationship में भी, जब हम साथ किसी के साथ झगड़े हो जाते हैं, कुछ अनबन हो जाती है, तो वहां पे भी उनके पॉजिटिव चीजों के बारे में बात करो कि पहले आपके अंदर क्या पॉजिटिवनेस थी, एंड देन कम बैक टू कि आप इस टाइम थोड़ी सी छोटी सी मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग होगी, थोड़ी गलती होगी, लेट्स नॉट, इट कैन बी करेक्टेड एंड वी कैन मूव फॉरवर्ड। So make that fall seems easy to correct. Okay. Principle number 9, make the other person happy about doing the thing you suggest. Okay. I'm repeating again, make the other person happy about doing the thing you suggest. So generally what we do is that no कि हम suggestions बहुत देते रहते हैं ना, काफी सारा मतलब एक दूसरे को suggestion फ्री में ही opinion suggestion दे देते हैं. Here it is important is that कि whether that person is receptive or not. If that person is not receptive, your suggestions won't matter. वो suggestions को करेक्ट ही नहीं. सिंपल सी बात है यार, वाईफाई से जब कनेक्शन स्ट्रांग नहीं होगा तो डेटा का ट्रांसफर भी नहीं होगा. जितना ही स्ट्रांग कनेक्शन होगा उतना ही फास्ट स्पीड में डेटा का ट्रांसफर होगा. सो फर्स्ट कनेक्शन स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए. सेकेंडली जब आप किसी को सजेस्ट या फिर ओपिनियन दे रहे हो, और ट्राई टू ऐड वैल्यू टू देयर लाइफ. ओके, ट्राई टू ऐड वैल्यू टू देयर लाइफ कि मतलब उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स को कैसे सॉल्व करना है. एंड वो सजेशंस ऐसा होना चाहिए सो दैट कि वो पर्सन उसे सुन के उसको ये फील हो कि यार ये तो मेरी प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने की बात कर रहा है, ये तो जो मेरी एक फीलिंग है उस फीलिंग में और हैप्पीनेस लाने की बात कर रहा है. सो यूज दो सजेशंस इन सच अ वे सो दैट it is making that other person feel important, it is making that other person feel happy, it is making that other person feel कि yeah, this suggestion might be able to add value to my life and this suggestion might be able to solve my problems. Always think about the other person and you will be able to make a very good relationship with your family, with your friends, with your colleagues, with your manager, with your boss, everywhere and anywhere in the world. Okay, so this book was all about making connections with the people, talking to them, talking about their good habits, encouraging them, motivating them, and also towards the end, these soft skills, or to be more precise, I should say it, human skills. These human skills are very, very important in every aspect of life. Just by practicing these very simple things that that our parents have taught us, right? That we have already seen in various relationships. It will help us to grow exponentially in our life. It will help us to grow exponentially in our academic, exponentially in our corporate world, because we are building that relationship. We are successful in a success. We are successful person in building those relationships. All right, fantastic. So it was a great journey. I mean, we completed this whole book, and probably I would ask other persons as well to go back again and finish this book if they have not done already, and also they can visit couple of key points and highlights which is already highlighted in the book, so that at least if they have not gone completely with this book, they should be able to get the extracts from this book. Yeah, these are the principles, these are the key points that one needs to focus on to improve their connectivity, the people, to help understand the people and influence them. Okay, sounds great. So Harsh, what we will do is that and others as well, what we will do is that in the next meeting for the next week, I'll be sharing some, because next week is all about exams and all, and post that you will be also engaged with your exams. So I'll be sharing a particular video. You need to watch that video for like 2-3 days and make a lot of notes, a lot of notes. I mean, just watch every line and write it down, because okay, so that will be then. And then after this week, once you are done with your all exams and all, we can start with the other book that I'll be sharing in the details in the group itself. All right, great, great, fantastic. Yeah, Harsh, if you have any more questions to ask, anything to say, how was your? It is all good.
Yes, sir. All not, sir.
Perfect.
It's good. Everything is good, and I'm enjoying that thing. And this books really giving me confidence in life and encouraging me to do more and more things in life, like more productive works. It's really
Absolutely.
helping, and because of you, I first time I have finished 2 books
Great, great,
completely.
great, great.
Yeah, and
That is
with
so good to hear.
notes that can I show to people that yeah, I read that book and I am actually applying the principles in my life.
Mhm.
It's really working. Seriously,
Mhm.
my life is totally changed now.
Great, great.
Maybe and will I can see results in future also.
Absolutely, absolutely. And see, we always know compound effect is going to kick in. No one is stopping that. Okay? and ripple. Once that compound effect is kick in, you will be able to see ripple effects in every direction, every aspect of your life. So yeah, definitely, Harsh, it's very glad to know that you are finding it some positive energy in your life. Completed 2 books. Congratulations, man. Very proud of you. And then on the way to the third book. And yeah, very proud of you guys. And fantastic. It is a very great journey, and wish to continue further with that. Okay. So yeah, cool. So it was a great connect with you today, and hopefully we'll meet again soon. All the best for your exams. Do well. Do prepare well. Okay.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye. Take care.
Take care. You also.
Yeah. Thank you.